Alright, we've got a KIZER, the Begleiter, I think that's companion in German. Let's take a look at it. Alright, what we got in here? Oh, we've got a microfiber cloth, nice, nice. And some pretty pictures of knives being made. Here it comes. We've got some, looks like we've got a bunch of spares here. Pivot screw, looks like a full screw kit. Alright, interesting. I like it when you get spare screws. Alright, here we go. Nice pouch, I like the pouch. And here it is. Nice titanium milled clip there. Very nice, very nice. Pretty carbon fibre. Light. And it's a big knife too. Alright, let's look at the jimping on the flipper. Yeah, nice little bit of jimping. Couple of lines cut in there. Blade centering, bang on, right in the middle there. First flip. Yeah. Look at that blade. That's what did it for me. I am a Tanto fan, and this is a nice pokey Tanto, and it's got a beautiful hollow grind there. Beautiful hollow grind. Yet the front, they've left meat on the front there to keep its strength. Yeah, nice. And that fuller line running down, almost the full length. Bit of jimp in there. Can we choke up on it without getting sliced? Yeah, we can use the flipper tab there, kind of. Yeah, we can choke up on it. Looks real slicey. Slicey. This is an ASO design. Other than KIZER there, the only thing I can see is S35VN. And looks like a serial number, might be the model number. Not sure. But that's nicely tucked up in this area. Let's see how the liner lock is. Oh yeah. I like that. Troppy shut. Cool. Nice thwack to it when it opens. Very nice. Yeah. Let's see its weight. Feels really light. 74 grams, wow. 2.6 ounces, awesome. 4.5 inches closed, 3.5 inch blade to the tippy tip. I love the look of the blade, that's what did it for me. the satin S35VN. See how slicey it is on this thin paper. Oh yeah. Very slicey. Slicey. So it looks like they include a full set of screws. They don't look any different to what's in here. It's just a full replacement set by the looks of it. Nice, I like that. I like these cutouts and the carbon fibre. They're giving, yeah, a bit of extra grip. Left-handed, the clip's not a problem at all. It's real comfortable left-handed, and that clip's just smooth. It's no interference with your hand at all. Yeah, nice. It's definitely a pokey one. So you can't get your finger in here at all. It's just single deploy on the flipper, but it does flip pretty nice. Very thwacky. Must be the carbon fibre that does that. Let's see what the liners are like. Yeah, the liners are really polished, if you can see the reflection in there. A little bit of skeleton eyes going on this side. Bit of weight reduction. That liner lock release is smooth, but you can feel it pretty easy. Now, I've got extra large hands. This is a full-size knife. You can feel that real easy. Cool. Alright, that's it. Quick look at it. Thanks for watching, guys. Catch you later.